Punjab's Batala area, where an Aam Aadmi Party affiliate, Sarpanch Gurvinder Singh, was shot at by unidentified assailants. The attack has once again raised serious questions over law and order in the state, especially concerning the safety of elected representatives and local political workers. According to initial inputs, the incident took place when Gurvinder Singh was present in his area and suddenly came under attack. The assailant reportedly opened fire and fled from the spot immediately after the incident, leaving the local residents in panic and triggering an urgent police response. Following the firings, the injured Sarpanch was quickly rushed to the nearby medical facility in critical condition. However, due to the severity of his injuries, doctors referred him to a higher medical center in Amritsar for advanced treatment. Medical teams are closely monitoring his condition, and officials have stated that the next 24 hours will be crucial. Meanwhile, police teams reached the spot soon after the incident and cordoned off the area to begin a detailed investigation. Forensic teams were also called in to collect with evidence, including bullet cases and other medical evidence that could help identify the attackers. Reports suggest that the attackers may have been waiting for an opportunity before executing the attack, though the exact motive is still under investigation. Police are exploring multiple angles, including personal rivalries, political dispute, or possible involvements of criminal elements active in the region. CCTV footage from nearby areas is being scanned, and eyewitness accounts are being recorded to reconstruct the sequence of events leading up to the firing. Senior police officials have assured that all necessary steps are being taken to ensure that those responsible are brought to justice at the earliest. The incident has also sparked concerns among local residents who are increasingly worried about rising incidents of violence in some part of its Punjab. The attack on a sitting Sarpanch who plays a key role in rural government and development has intensified debates over the security arrangements provided to grassroots leaders. Political reactions are also expected as leaders across party lines are likely to raise the issues and demand strict actions against the preparedness. At the same time, the Punjab police has appealed to the public to remain calm and cooperate with the investigation. Authorities have increased securities in the surrounding areas to prevent any further untoward incident and to ensure that the accused do not manage to escape. Police have stated that special teams have been formed to track down the attackers and that arrest will be made soon based on technical and human intelligence inputs. As the investigation continues, the focus remains on identifying the motive behind the attack and ensuring swift medical care for the injured Sarpanch. The situation in Batala remains tense but under control, with security forces maintaining a close watch on development. More details are expected to emerge as the probe progresses, and officials continue to gather evidence from the crime scenes and surrounding locations. For now, the incident has left the region on alert and once again highlighted the urgent needs to strengthen security for public representatives in sensitive areas of Punjab. That's all for now. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.